Hey, this is Neonix. I'm going to show you my awesome Pokemon. I know my player's name fails, but I was too lazy to think of anything else, so... do this. He still needs to level up, so... yeah, his name is West. Okay. He's gonna be awesome, Mochi. He's gonna be awesome in the final evolution. And Absol, you know Absol is just cool. So. I like Ninetales. Okay, so anyone else should tell me your Pokemon team by making a video response. So, yeah, peace out.